Welcome to the Hermes Agent version 2.0 masterclass, where we explore architecting autonomous, persistent, and multi-agent systems for the modern workspace. In this overview, we highlight key version updates. v0.11 brings a workspace redesign with the Ink-based TUI and real-time mission control. v0.12, the Curator, introduces autonomous background maintenance for skills and memory. Finally, v0.13, Tenacity, implements durable multi-agent Kanban systems for large-scale pipelines. We are observing a significant evolution of agents, shifting from ephemeral chat wrappers to persistent agent runtimes. This transition marks a major step towards advanced, reliable AI systems. The paradigm shift moves away from old chat-based systems, which are limited by ephemeral context. Hermes introduces an agent runtime with persistent state on disk, file system access, sandboxed execution, and autonomous sub-agent delegation. Our first major update is version 0.11, focused on building a professional workspace for AI workflows. Key features of the redesigned Ink-based TUI include the sticky composer for stable input, real-time streaming for low-latency feedback, and autocomplete with smart/command suggestions for better control. Mission control and orchestration in Hermes version 0.11 introduced tiered delegation for managing subagents with configurable depth. This allows spawning isolated workers for parallel streams, providing real-time status and offering improved interrupt and redirect controls. Hermes offers an extensible plugin surface featuring /commands for custom inputs, shell hooks for triggering external scripts during the agent's lifecycle, and tool rewriting to modify or block tool results for safety enforcement. Web-based management provides visibility beyond the CLI with a unified dashboard. Users can manage sessions, skills, and configuration, access session analytics, track costs, use the interactive skill editor, and manage plugin authorization and keys. Next, we delve into version 0.12, named the Curator, which is dedicated to autonomous self-maintenance for evolving skills. The Hermes Curator command is an autonomous background agent running on a 7-day ticker. Its maintenance cycles include grading skills based on utility, pruning dead or redundant skills, and consolidation, which merges related skills into efficient libraries. The learning loop uses rubric-based refinement, a core mechanism that determines what memory or skills to save after each turn. This includes a shift to class-first evaluation, active update bias, and an enhanced, nudge system for persistent knowledge. Finally, we introduce version 0.13, Tenacity, which focuses on durable multi-agent collaboration via Kanban. Durable task management is realized through the multi-agent board, replacing fragile sub-agent swarms with a persistent SQLite task board. Features include process independence, atomic claims for task ownership, and persistence to survive failures. The status machine governs the task lifecycle, moving tasks from TODO to ready when dependencies are met and dispatching is possible, and finally to done, archiving the result and automatically unblocking downstream tasks. Workspace isolation is critical for safety and management. There are different types of isolation, including the global context, worktree isolation for safe feature development, and environment-based isolation for different operational scopes. Hermes supports multiple multi-agent patterns, including pipeline for sequential handoffs, fan-out for parallel subtasks, voting for solution evaluation, and fleet farming for per-subject agents operating on a directory. The Tenacity layer ensures resilience through several features: a 15-minute default claim time to live, a 3x retry budget acting as a circuit breaker, an SQLite wall mode durable backend, and an audit mechanism for zombie process detection. Our security-first approach includes platform guardrails, such as allow lists for explicitly permitted communication channels, redaction to mask API keys and secrets in logs, and Docker isolation for sandboxed execution of untrusted tool calls. The provider ecosystem is pluggable. Hermes supports commercial providers like OpenAI and AWS Bedrock, open-source options like Ollama and OpenRouter, and local support for models using llama.cpp with low cold start times. Tuning for local LLMs involves specific operational strategies. Use dispatch caps with the max flag to limit concurrent spawns. Adjust latency by tuning the dispatch_interval, and use log auditing for worker failure diagnostics. Here is a quick command reference for common Hermes operations. Regarding frequently asked questions, yes, The CLI and gateway are lightweight and can run on minimal setups. Your data is local first. Kanban handles parallel task races using atomic claims. Agents create high-level procedural tools called skills. The implementation roadmap is simple. First, install using the setup wizard. Second, connect your first provider and messaging platform. Third, automate by initializing a Kanban board and assigning your first multi-agent workflow goal. To summarize, Hermes has evolved into a complete agent runtime with persistence as a core advantage. The Kanban system is key to scalable AI teamwork, and autonomous maintenance ensures long-term system performance. Thank you for watching this video. Hermes Agent is the agent that grows with you.